Hello, boys and girls of Rockland. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, with you once again, very excited. We are continuing our work with subtraction, which is something you will continue to do. You'll be adding and subtracting next year in first grade with even bigger numbers, and then in second grade, and third grade, and in fourth grade. So you're going to be doing this. In fact, I bet your parents use addition and subtraction a lot. You could ask them about it. So today we have, some of you may have seen this before. It's called a piggy bank subtraction. You may have done piggy bank addition, or you may have not. But nonetheless, here we are. We have an equation, or we call it a number sentence. It's a sentence because it tells us a story, right? So this tells us we have 5 pennies, and we're going to take away 1 penny to see how many are left. So let's put 5 pennies in our piggy bank. We put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you have pennies at home, you can do this as well. Just ask your mom or dad or anybody at home for some pennies. So we have 5 pennies. Okay, and we're going to take away, this tells us to take away 1 of them. Maybe you are buying a piece of candy that costs 1 penny. So I'm going to take 1 penny away. I'm going to put it down here. So that penny is now not in the piggy bank anymore. Okay, I'm going to take it all the way away. So how many pennies do we have left? I had 5 pennies. I subtracted 1. It looks like we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 pennies left. So I'm going to write down 4. All right, awesome. Let's try another one. This time we have, our number sentence says 7 minus 3, or take away 3, equals what? How many pennies? So we have 7 pennies in the piggy bank. Let's put 7 in the piggy bank. Let's see, do we have 7? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we do. We have 7 pennies. All right, how many are we taking away? Let's see, we're going to buy 3 pieces of candy. They each cost a penny. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3. So we had 7. We took away 3, and how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies are left. Same as last time, 4 pennies. Okay, let's try another one. This time it says, our number sentence says, 6, take away 2. So think about this. How many pennies will be left if we have 6 pennies? Here's our, let's say, here's our 6 pennies, and we took away 2. You can pause the video to think about it. Okay. Oh, I lost my camera here. There we go. So we have 6 pennies, take away 2. So how many do you think? If you said 4, you are correct. If you said something else, but you're thinking about it, and you're trying, and you're learning, your brain's growing and you're doing fantastic. So let's take a look. We're going to take away 2 pennies. 1, 2. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies left. Huh, that's funny. Every time we got 4. All right, let's do one more. Now, this is on a piece of paper that you may or may not have. Okay, so this is called subtraction number 1, piggy bank. So it says 3, take away 1. So if you were at home and you had some pennies, you could put 3 pennies in your piggy bank. Let's say you bought 1 piece of candy for 1 penny, so we take away 1. And we are left with how many pennies? Whoops, let's get rid of that. We are left with 2 pennies. All right, so there's a couple more problems here. You might have this paper. If you don't, you can pause the video right now and you can try these number sentences. So you have 5 pennies, take away 2, find out how many are left over and write it down. Okay? And then the next one is you have 7 pennies, So put down 7 pennies, take away 3, and you can write that down. If you don't have any paper and pencil, that's okay. Just do it with pennies or any objects you might have, and then you can figure out what is 7 take away 3. All right? Great job, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Remember, be safe and be kind, and keep finding ways to subtract around your house, okay? Find, like if you have 4 apples and you eat 1, how many apples are left? It's 3. Okay. Awesome job. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.